Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to convert your normal image into black and white in Canva. So let's get started. So first thing, you'll be having your image in your design. Just click on the image and to the top you'll be having an option called as edit image. Click this and under effects you'll be having an option called as filters. Just click on this see all, and now in these filters, if you scroll down, under mono, you'll be having multiple black filters. So I'll just click on this classic and you'll be having option to change the intensity also. This is the ink, noir, and of course you can change the intensity, and there are multiple black filters like this. So this is like the easiest way how you can change your color image to black and white in Canva. I hope you have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.